Hello everybody, my name is Ben. Um, yeah, something very tragic happened today. If you follow my channel on YouTube, Minecraft Sons of K, I had 0 death on that server. And yeah, something happened when I logged on today. I was logging in and somebody had planted a dark oak tree right where I logged out at first. Just a second here. Yeah, I'm standing in the rain. I need to wipe my phone. I'm filming this from my iPhone, so just so you know. And I spawned in that tree, and I got suffocated in a wall, as the Minecraft game said it itself. So, I'm very pissed at the moment. Um, I don't know how to control this anchor, so I'm like, I need to do something about it. So, I came up with an idea, all right? And it involves my laptop, my computer, which is the computer I'm playing Minecraft with. Just saying, needs to wipe my screen again. There we go. This is the computer I'm playing Minecraft with, and now it lays there. All right. See, the battery just fell out here. That's all right. That's all right. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. And also got another thing. Yeah, this is happening because I'm hard to control my anger. All right. So be right back. It's not doing enough, is it? Nah, just a second here, me too. There we go. Now we can see the whole laptop here. This got some scratches. Oh, me too. Damn here. Alright. And maybe I should switch hands. Got the right hand going. Okay, much better. Hmm. It's not really cutting it, is it? Nah. Uh-huh. It's not. There. Oh, that felt good. So that, my friends, is what happens when I die on Minecraft. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. I need to get